Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Toyota 4Runner updated. First, ensure your key fob battery is charged and your vehicle is parked and locked. I will walk you through factory steps, common aftermarket methods, and quick troubleshooting tips so you can warm or cool your truck safely. Stay with me and I will keep explanations simple and practical, with clear actions you can follow now. Start by locking your 4Runner with the key fob, then press and hold the remote start icon for 2 seconds to initiate start. Watch for lights or a chirp that confirm the engine is running remotely while doors stay locked. Check climate settings and be aware of engine runtime limits. If it does not start, try a second attempt and then move to troubleshooting steps for common causes like battery or security lockouts. When remote start fails, begin with simple checks like replacing the key fob battery and ensuring the hood is fully closed. Inspect safety sensors and confirm the vehicle is not in valet or immobilizer mode. If problems persist, cycle the ignition manually to clear faults and consult the owner manual for model-specific steps. These practical fixes often resolve issues quickly and keep your remote start reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.